Hi guys, I just did something. Yeah, today we're gonna make it. So, you know how I can do your bones came in. It's all a bit to me. Bye guys. I hope y'all like it.